Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming your TV platform and preparing the installer. This saves time and prevents errors. Once done, enable unknown sources or developer mode so you can sideload. You will copy the APK to a USB or a local NAS, then open the TV file manager to begin. Make sure to allow storage and install permissions when prompted. Doing this upfront avoids interruptions. You'll be ready to launch the app after installation, so don't skip the permission checks. You now launch MovieBox and complete initial configuration. This is where playback quality matters. Grant storage and network permissions so the app can stream and cache content. Once granted, choose a stream quality. Start at 720p if your connection is variable, then increase. You should set subtitles and link an external player for formats the built-in player struggles with. After configuration, play a short trailer to confirm audio-video sync and remote control responsiveness before browsing larger titles. You finish by optimizing storage and network for consistent viewing. Set cache limits and favorites to speed access. If you have buffering, switch to wired Ethernet and restart the TV and router. Simple reboots often fix transient network issues. For persistent playback errors, clear the app cache first. If that fails, reinstall the APK to replace corrupted files, or configure an alternate external player inside MovieBox. One key tip: keep a small test clip to validate.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.